starting this bulletin with a big breaking news coming in from Maharashtra. NCP Sharad Pawar faction leader Rajesh Tope has now made a major statement regarding the NCP merger. Now he said the decision to merge both the NCP factions had already been finalized in Ajit Pawar's presence. We were witness to it and the last meetings had already taken place. Only the announcement was remaining, which was expected to happen after the Zilla Parishad elections. That's the major statement coming in from NCP SP leader Rajesh Tope, who's now hinted at the merger of NCP factions. My colleague Meenakshi joins me on this with more details. Meenakshi, it's a major statement coming in from Rajesh Tope where he's hinted at the merger of the both NCP factions.
Yes, as you have rightly mentioned, it's a big development for Maharashtra politics, and the merger of two NCPs, NCP Ajit Pawar faction and Sharad Pawar faction is now the matter of time, we can say. On February 8th, it will be announced by NCP's both factions that they are coming together and they have decided to come together. We know that the leader of NCP Sharad Pawar faction, Rajesh Tope, he made a big statement that Ajit Pawar's last wish was to merge with his party, with NCP Sharad Pawar party, and the close aide of Ajit Pawar friend, whose name is Kiran Gujar, and he was long association with Ajit Pawar from mid 1980. He claimed to media that Ajit Pawar's last wish was to merge both parties, and he told that to Kiran Gujar before 5 days of his death, that he was so confident that two parties will come together, and the discussion process was completed, and as Kiran Gujar claimed, two parties' final decision has taken already. It's a matter of time, and now we are getting information that on 8th February, after Zilla Parishad election, they will come together. And the other information we are getting from our sources that in Zilla Parishad election, NCP SP and NCP Ajit Pawar faction are contesting together in a same symbol. In a clock symbol, they are contesting together. And as we have seen on January 15, the corporation election in Pune and Pipri Chinchwad, where Ajit Pawar faction and Sharad Pawar faction already came together. And from that time, Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar was thinking to continue this tie-up for future. And we have seen Ajit Pawar and Supriya Sule, they did press conference together in Pune, and after that it's a now clear picture that they will come together on 8th February.
Right. Also help us understand that we understand that the seat of Deputy CM is likely to now go to Sunetra Pawar. How this merger is then going to impact the government in Maharashtra also, because we understand all is not well between Eknath Shinde and Maharashtra CM Fadnavis.
And time will say, because now we are getting information the senior leaders of NCP Ajit Pawar faction, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel, they already reached to Fadnavis house, CM of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis house, and they are discussing regarding the vacuum already made by Ajit Pawar's death, and their proposal will be Sunetra Pawar join Mahayuti government, and from Rajya Sabha we know Sunetra, who is the Ajit Pawar's wife, she is the MP of Rajya Sabha, and the party leaders and party workers wants her to take the responsibility of Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and they already reached at Fadnavis house. Their proposal will be to consider Sunetra Pawar and Sunetra Pawar as Deputy CM. So process going on. We don't know what happened in future, but it's a strong name because NCP's workers and NCP's leader, we know the NCP's minister Kejriwal already said that workers wants Sunetra Pawar will be the deputy CM of Maharashtra. So leaders and workers, they want Sunetra Pawar to take the responsibility which left by Ajit Pawar. So we don't know, it's politics. What
Right.
कौन बनेगा, ये कौन बनेगा, ये वक्त नहीं है, उचित नहीं, वक्त नहीं है। इसके बारे में सब माननीय शरद पवार साहब, हमारी बहनी सुनित्रा बहनी, बेटे पार्थ पवार, जय पवार और उनके बाकी परिवार के लोग इकट्ठा बैठेंगे कुछ दिन के बाद में, और इकट्ठा बैठ के चर्चा करके किस दिशा में, क्योंकि अजीत दादा की ये दिल से इच्छा थी कि दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आना चाहिए, और इस प्रकार की उनके साथ में काफी हमारी चर्चा भी हुई थी, हमारे नेताओं की और हमारी सबकी, और दिल से चाहते थे कि जल्द से जल्द दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आना चाहिए। वो हिसाब से जो उनकी अंतिम इच्छा थी, वो अंतिम इच्छा पूरी होना चाहिए ऐसा सबको लगता है। लेकिन उसके बारे में जब तक पूरी पवार फैमिली इकट्ठा बैठ के निर्णय लेती नहीं, तब ये एक बात आगे बढ़ेगी नहीं।
एक साथ आने को लेकर चर्चा लगभग पूरी कर ली गई थी क्या?
एक साथ आने के बाद, एक साथ दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा आने के बारे में प्रिलिमिनरी चर्चा पूरी हो गई थी दोनों पार्टी के बीच में, लेकिन एकाएक घटना घटी, दुर्दैवी घटना घटी, उसके वजह से अभी वो बात रुक गई है। और अभी सब पूरा परिवार जब इकट्ठा बैठेगा तो उसके बारे में चर्चा करके निर्णय लेगा।
मर्जर के बाद ना की जाए, लेकिन तमाम एनसीपी के और नेता ऑलरेडी वर्षा बंगलो पर पहुंच चुके हैं और वो अपनी
और
तरफ से
हमारी सबके दिल में ये है कि जो माननीय अजीत दादा की दिल की इच्छा थी, दिली इच्छा थी कि दोनों पार्टी इकट्ठा होना चाहिए, तो उनकी अंतिम इच्छा पूरी होना चाहिए, ऐसा हमें लगता है।
मर्जर के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ जाने का प्लान था, आगे का क्या प्लान था?
थैंक यू। चला
Right, that was senior NCP SP leader Anil Deshmukh talking about the merger between the two factions of NCP. He says that it was the last wish of Ajit Pawar to have both the factions of NCP getting merged together. Discussions were already underway. It was set to be announced after the Zilla Parishad elections, but of course the unfortunate incident took place. Now he says the Pawar family will get together and take a call.